Hey, it's Sergio Valentino here, and today I have something different for you guys. I want to show you a very important accessory for all the people who are spending many hours daily on the desktop. I always had the problem that when I use my iMac for a long time, my eyes are getting tired, especially at night. And I also can't really see my desk when it's night because the brightness of my monitor isn't bright enough. I tried to use a desk lamp, but they don't help a lot, and some of them even made it worse by reflecting the light on my iMac monitor. But luckily, Ben Ku sent me a solution, the ScreenBar Plus. Inside of the box we have the ScreenBar itself, a control module, the cables to connect it to your PC, and this thing to mount the ScreenBar on your monitor. It's very easy to mount the ScreenBar to any monitor. It only took me some seconds. You just put it on your monitor, and because of the counterweight on the back it stays stable, and then you only need to connect it with one single cable to your PC or to your USB hub. You can also tilt the light so that the light doesn't reflect on your monitor. That's important especially for people like me who need good colors on their monitors. You can control the ScreenBar with the included controller. You can change the brightness, and what I really like is that I'm also able to change the white balance of the lights. It also has a button that activates auto brightness with the help of a sensor. I really recommend this to everyone who is sitting a lot in front of their monitor. If you want to buy one for yourself or need more information, then click the first link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next launch video.